Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Tinder app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. If you find updates here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.